Dumelang. Le kae? Teng. Lebitso la ka ke Njabulo ne.
Banana plastic ka mo wena.
No. No.
Ne kopa le nthuse ka something Setjho. Kopa nthuse ka something ne msa. Ke batla sugar man.
Shooting your shot.
Ngiyabelelwa mina bantu.
Serati. Yes? Oh no. Mara ngibona akubua le wena thina ke thola sugar mommy vibes. Bona motle jwang. Mama wa mfa lebitso lao. Oh hi. Serati. Sera o tla like se ke renga ta jwa mo ntso ha. Ka ba batle be. O so ko ba bule o so na re how.
Oh batla wena.
Sugar man. What's up, good people? My name is Jabulo, but my friends call me Jabs. Today, to be honest, I don't know what we're doing, but then we're just walking up to people and then saying some stupid stuffs. And today, we're sugar mommy hunting. Let's go.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Chong, I need Asian help from you, so Chong, I'm in need of something. I don't know if you can help me. I need a sugar mommy.
No.
Never.
You naughty.
What you? What you mean I'm naughty? I'm for real.
Look very hard. Maybe you'll find someone.
But I'm getting sugar mommy vibes while I'm speaking to you.
It's a wrong vibe.
So,
Very wrong.
it sounds so right to me, you know. Like it sounds very right to me.
Very naughty.
Very naughty.
Yeah.
But it's a good thing. What? Okay. Tandy. Nagenjabulo so chumemete. Ko pontshe maske a fara o bona mahlong. Mo ke se tswa ngata o mo be ka jwang ba tla tseba fe. A ku utlo re. A ngata o lo mo. To see. Want to tell us something? But I'm sugar mom. But la sugar mommy. I'm trying to spoil her. Anti strong boy so gonna get la chewa bo ke utla mana pela ga shapa fast day bona. Go pa leng tshise something ne. So chong girlfriend ka e lahlile maobane jole ke heartbroken. Ne ke batla na sugar mommy. No vision. Strong kita ba vision breaker la ona cha.
She looks like
Plus was pa na o khona on spoiler mo. Sugar bo t-shirt nyana. Bo t-shirt nyana.
express.
Ni kilo wena
Baba nna ke le vision a ke tse motho wa ntate.
ha. A ke se tshijwa.
Ke motho ka mahlo fela.
Kopa o ruta. Badini. Batla na sugar man tle.
So nna ke yona.
Ba batlo ba yona.
Ke mnyane.
Umyani, how many years? 24? Musuka fita musuka sugar man. Nang 21.
Okay, next.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I get just 2 minutes of your time, please? My name is Jabulo. Can I get yours? My name is Jabulo.
How can I help you?
Okay, so I'm looking for a sugar mommy.
A sugar mommy.
Yes.
Sebokeng has got lots.
Subuke, how about you? Because like I'm getting sugar mommy vibes while I'm speaking to you. Subuke,
Yeah.
where's Subuke?
Try shop Google.
Google. Okay, so you don't wanna give me, you don't wanna spoil me or anything like
Listen,
that.
if you want to talk shit, I can have you a list.
Okay.
Okay. So get lost. Go try your fucking jump.
I'm sorry. Like we're just doing a stupid YouTube video. Sorry.
Yeah.
Look. I have a mic and everything. Let me show you.
It's fine. I don't care what
You don't. Oh.
I don't care what you do.
Okay.
You are rushing. You want me to call the police?
No, but like, thank you for your time, though. Thank you for your time. Ahle ka bona hore o tlo ba perfect fit wa. Eh? A ke ga khone bona. Mponse sefatlo sa o khone o tsho o tsala. Eh?
I'm so ugly.
I don't care about that. Also, how about you sugar mommy? Why? You must love. Hey. Hey, as chungo to tshwanelana he mos. Eh? Ah, no latela ka morao. Eh? How about you? Eh?
I don't know how. I don't know how.
Ane ba latela ka morao. Oh.
Don't talk about Shapana.
Eh, ao he, wa utlwa he. Ke tla ba ntho ao he, go ba ntho ao he.
I know pasa jwang.
Eh? Why not more fight? Why not more fight? Why? Chu, what's else chung letting you choose like you fa utla ba reng it ignites your mind.
Na he energy
Ayo ba. Awapal. So unko po botsa fela how old are you then?
Why?
I'm just asking Jay.
Why?
I just want to know.
You can't just come up and ask me something like that.
Okay, I'm basically heartbroken right now. My girlfriend just dumped me like yesterday, and I'm currently looking for a sugar mommy.
Oh no. Damn.
What do you mean no?
Miss me.
Miss you? Come on. Are you gonna live out this sugar in me? Oh, good day. How are you? I'm okay. Can you help me with something real quick? I just need help for like, can I take 2 minutes of your time? I'm in desperate need of a sugar mommy.
Oh no, I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know where you're gonna get it.
I'm getting sugar mommy vibes from you, isn't it?
No.
What do you mean no? You're married? Yeah, but we can three-way this thing. It's okay. No. I'm playing. Look. We're just doing a stupid YouTube video. Look, I have a mic and everything. You don't care? Wow.
No. No.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm in desperate need of a sugar mommy.
A sugar mommy?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Sugar mommy.
Yeah? Mina ngibona wena ngithi awu mibuza khona ungispoila nyana ngikho right expensive. Cheap in fact. Imagine. Yeah?
97 and I'm still young. I think I'm even younger.
Yeah, but like nah, you're not younger than me. I'm pretty sure you're older than me.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
I'm turning 20.
You're turning 20? You lying. Joe, you young man. You better not sugar man. Que serás? Now I'm taking a look at it. Eish, I speak the fella. But I'm not sugar man.
No, I can see you're looking in the wrong place.
I'm looking in the wrong place. Mangan to go na je utla ithola di sugar mommy vibes nyana nna lo na khona o relate. O bona le vibe.
I'm a child of God myself.
I'm a child of God too.
And then they are looking for sugar mommies. Do you think that's what God wants?
But it's not wrong, because people
Who says
I'm
it's
the one
not
who
wrong?
says it's
You're
not.
almost like not even my child's age.
But still,
No
Mus,
way.
it's not a bad thing.
You're looking in the wrong place, my dear.
Yo, so you are on decline of it.
Obviously. You can be my child, but not till
Yo, I can't live here. Eish, uncrease up cloak, eish. What language do you speak? You speak French. For real?
Sorry?
I need a sugar mommy.
No, I'm not one.
Not one. But I'm thinking if we try and see. Like yo, ntseke batla ke tone. Girlfriend ka qeta ho break up le nna like maobane. So yo ke pela ka ihloko.
Ba tsa motho a tsebang ka taba tsena.
Eh. Ah eh.
Au fihla
Okay. Jwale ke batla sugar mami taba.
o tute o tla o batla.
Lona Albert. Waza le
Wena tlhaka tsa ba ka bona tlhaka ya tsa.
akere.
Mamela ya mali o tute o tla o batla.
Okay. Ayo batla ngithatha spoiler afe. Ne bone ka la sebetsa so nna nka kgona ho spoil.
Wena o mmolesa. Ba o mmolesa kwa. Yo, bang. O se mama. Wala ka kala dithola go se.
I mean nix mara ntu.
Taba ngomkalo simba.
Nix.
Ba re shuga ba o disa o bontsha kana. Mamela. Ke energy o ke ba waste ngo motho ke ka hlalefisa ngwana ka yona.
Oh, so no gona ba. Why? That's a look. Asinthembi mama. Ba re nka o ditsa gore ntwe ntse re etsa ke joke. And like ke joke ba re. Bona imano emenda. Tsere keme. Kenye. Ja, aber das ist das was los auf. Das gieß. Ist schon rau, mo ke lukisa. Ke lukisa. But then ga ba pala chef. Ke me ga ke a on YouTube. Look, my friend has a camera there. We're just shooting a stupid YouTube video. I have a mic and everything. That's all. Oh, see your father. Your father. That's what you're saying. Tsere camera stone, tsere shoot a YouTube video nyana stupid. Can tell my again everything. Thank you for the Thank you for the call. Ha ha ha.